Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to put your laptop on the lock screen. The first way to do that is by pressing the Start button, then going into Power Options and selecting Lock option right here. But if you want to do this faster, there is another way to do that. You simply have to use a shortcut of Windows button alongside with L button. So press them both together, and this way you will put your device on the lock screen. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.